What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Adventures of David and Aaron. I am David. This weekend, me and Aaron are in Pasadena, California. We are currently just checked into our hotel. We are staying at the Comfort Suites in Pasadena on Colorado Avenue. Here's a picture of the parking lot. And this hotel also provides a hot tub and swimming pool. This hotel does provide a hot breakfast in the morning, complimentary. They also provide AAA discounts. As I said earlier, they're close proximity to walking distance to a lot of shops, grocery stores, and other venues. There is no fee to park. And the room that we are in is room 332. So here's our room, and let's go in. So as you can see, the room is quite spacious. 2 queen beds. We have flat screen TV, bench, 2 beds, picture window, and nice bathroom. Hello, nice sink, and they have plenty of shelving, a refrigerator, and we already have it stocked. Also comes with a microwave. So if you're in the Pasadena area, consider this hotel for one of your destination places to stay overnight. As I said, they were very friendly staff, very friendly front desk. Associates that greeted us to meet us here when we checked in. We are here for a special event this weekend, the Adventures of David and Aaron. Aaron is out currently getting food for tonight, for dinner, so we will check back with you tomorrow to give you more information of what brought us to Pasadena. Thanks for now, and like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.